So I started doing a video and I could see the smoke. It just started. But if you can see, the fire is getting bigger in Otay right now. Look at that. And I'm like really, really far. That's like a mountain away. That's in Otay. I don't know what's going on over there because it seems like there's sudden bursts of it's very, very wild. And there's like some kind of like explosions. Look at that. It looks like if it was lava and then it's just coming down. Look at that. Look at the red. See? Look at all that red. So all of that red is just started. And there's something going on over there because as you can see how that red light it's just going it's exploding, and then there was like fireballs. I don't know if that's just a mountain, but look at that. It's like explosions. Anyways, hoping that everybody is doing okay. The whole mountain is on fire. That's Otay.
Holy shit.
That's the Lemon Grove. Otay, but look.
Lemon Grove?
Yeah, obviously that's Lemon Grove over there, but that's Otay. That's like in Tijuana, like. But there's something going on because it's spreading, but there's also explosions.
Oh, really?
I don't think that
Power. Power wires.
Oh. Isn't that where on top it's where everybody lives? Isn't that where all the people live, like with the big houses?
I don't know.
But look at the fire, how it's going, how it's spreading. It's spreading that way.
There's no wind.
There's no wind and the fire is wild.